So let's begin our service with an opening reading and an affirmative prayer. Today I'm reading from my book, Whispers of Heaven. And in it I wrote, it's called a prayer practice, but that doesn't mean it has to be painless or joyless. Create a special time for yourself each day when you can contemplate the blessings of life. So let's put these words of wisdom to work in our lives, and we do that through affirmative prayer. I'm going to do this prayer in the first person. Take it in for yourself. But say something that works for you, hold tightly to that. But say something that doesn't work for you, just let that part slide by. But just know this truth with me today. There is but one God, one mind, and one power. And that power is perfect love. It's divine intelligence. And that power is flowing through me, with me, and for me. It is calling me on to the best of myself. So here today, I let go of every idea of lack or limitation. I lift my eyes up to a greater knowing. And today, I know I am well on my way to solving every problem, every challenge that confronts me. God plus me is an answer to any situation I face. So I can move out with courage. I can move out in my life with conviction, knowing I've got the power and glory of God calling me on to the best of myself. This is my truth. I celebrate this right knowing, and I release this prayer into the mind of God to do its good and powerful work, returning to me multiplied abundantly. And together we say, and so it is. Hi, this is Reverend Ken. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to like and share our video and comment on the video. It will mean a great deal to us. It will help spread our message out to a wider audience. So again, be sure to like us, to make a comment about us, or to share it with all your friends. It will do a great deal of good. Thank you so much.